Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Instagram emoji slider. If you're using Instagram and you want to use your Instagram emoji slider, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app and here just go to create story section here and you just have to select the photo which you want to set. So let's say I'm going to select this one. You just have to tap on the stickers option and then select emoji slider from here. Now you have to try to ask a question. So let's say I have added this question. So now once you have added a question, people can ask or reply to your question using this emoji. It's up to 100%. By using this emoji slider, you can also try to change emoji if you want to set. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Once you have done, you just have to tap on this done option here and then tap on your story. So let's say I'm gonna add it here and tap on your story and it will be added to your story. So in this way you can easily add emoji slider into your Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.